Good morning, my name is Dr. John Huang with West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center. Here's another video of a pregnancy adjustment technique called Webster Technique. We're going to use that technique to help people, pregnant women, feel better on the pelvic area. Here we go, we'll do a demonstration of that. Alright. Perfect. The right leg's a little bit stiff, so we're going to work on the right pelvic area for the patient. This is the better one I'm going to use. Good. Contact here. Oh, it's going to drop here once I get the right tension on the table. Awesome. That's a good one there. I'll do one more time. Awesome there. I'm a certified Webster Technique practitioner, and we specialize in helping pregnancy women. We work with midwives and doulas, and we'll continue growing and serving people here in local Houston. I'm located in the West Chase area. Good. That's so much better. Awesome. Okay. Okay. And spot out here, Jasper. This side, this side.
The left side.
Left side, okay, good. Come down here. Pain here, see later?
Yes.
Yes, I found a good spot. This technique is great for a pregnancy woman because it helps them get the pelvic rim area all ready for the pregnancy. It has a smoother, easier delivery for them to have a good experience during pregnancy time. And when people have low back pain because being have a big belly in front, 1 pound in front of your belly is 10 pound pressure on your lower back. As a chiropractor, we try to take the pressure off and provide that the body be able to carry this baby naturally, and for them to have a better mobility during the whole time they're pregnant. We're going to continue improving the mobility of them during pregnancy. We've been doing this for a while, and I have 2 girls, they're 9 and 10, and I also provide the service for my wife itself and 2 natural born babies. It's really, really awesome experience. I recommend this for anyone that's pregnant to get regular adjustment, and when they get pregnant, then when they do the Webster Technique, it's a wonderful experience. I know no one likes to be in pain, and when you do this technique on people, they feel better and function better. Any discomfort now?
No.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I'll lower the table down a little bit. Alright. Okay. Breathe in, hold your breath, hold your breath. Good. Good. Breathe it out. Wonderful. That's wonderful. I'm just going to do a little bit here for you. Good. I'm going to come around the other side now to do the adjustment on this side. Good. Alright. Now, Jackie, let's have you come up slowly, and we'll have you on your back, okay? First, let's do it on your back first. Nice and easy. Move the table up a little bit. Not yet, the table's not ready yet. Come up slowly. Good. Okay, now lay on your back, Jackie, for me. We'll do the round ligament right now. Perfect. Right now we're going to find the round ligament and take the pressure off that, and we palpate. See which area of round ligament is the tightest.
Mommy, I also just show cars. Okay.
This is wonderful for pregnancy women. I recommend for every pregnancy woman to get this Webster Technique. The experience of having it done is wonderful, and there's less pain in your lower back. It's easier to deliver your baby. It's wonderful. A lot of midwife and doula recommend this technique for the patient. Right now I'll do some. Hey, Jackie, can you put your feet like this for me? Like that? Good. Come towards me. I want to see something about that real quick. They're both even, lovely. So I'll do some. Alright. How you doing, man? Just relax here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is Jackie's second baby. Okay, let's do the other side. Very nice there. Yes, very nice. Perfect. Awesome. That was a good ankle adjustment right there. She carried all that weight. This adjustment helps her take the pressure off the foot. Let's do the knee for her. She does carry all the weight, transfer to her knee also. Awesome there. Awesome there. I like to get the wrist because she's a teacher and she type a lot. Good, that was a wonderful adjustment there. Good, 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 good. Now we're going to do the neck adjustment now. And after neck, we're going to do adjust our lower back. There's a lot of tension on the right side, so we'll get to the right side first. Awesome. Awesome. Get attention here. Good. Good. Oh, that was a nice deep one. Hidden in there. Okay. Alright. Can you turn on this one for me? On the side. Good.
Wait, are you off?
Excellent there. And get out. Good. Good. Other side. Perfect. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Good. All right. Come on. That's good. Good. Come on up. All right. Turn. Face the camera and give us just a small brief testimonial. How you like what we've been doing to help you improve your life. And here you go. Go ahead.
Yeah, my second pregnancy, and Dr. Wong helped with the first one as well. And this one I'm hurting more. I wasn't, I got pregnant the second time. I didn't realize it would be so much different. Yes. But yes, I'm in here weekly because especially that round ligament takes the pressure off. It feels so much different when I come in than when I leave here. And the pelvic floor pain that so many pregnant women experience when you get up and sit down all the time, every time. It's very, very beneficial to that. So it definitely helps to make this pregnancy a lot easier.
Thank you for your testimonial, and please like us, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and share that video for other pregnancy women out there searching for a resolution to help them during the pregnancy. It's our pleasure to help them. Thank you.